We are pleased to show you 2012 370Z. With its richly crafted, driver-obsessed cockpit and the world's first synchro rev-match manual transmission, the lower, wider, lighter Nissan Z is in a class all its own and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, sport package, rear window defroster, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.